Grammarly AI Tool Review, Usage Experience. Welcome to our video review of Grammarly, the AI-powered writing assistant that's reshaping how we communicate. Links to Grammarly and its various subscription plans are included in the description below if you'd like to try it for yourself. Grammarly is designed for anyone who writes, whether you're a student, a professional, or someone who simply wants to communicate more clearly. At its core, Grammarly checks for grammar, spelling, and punctuation errors in real time, but it's much more than a basic spell checker. Its AI goes beyond the basics to offer suggestions for tone, clarity, and even engagement, helping your writing connect with your intended audience. One standout feature is its tone detector, which analyzes your message's emotional impact and helps ensure your tone aligns with your intentions. The tool integrates seamlessly into everyday workflows. You can use it as a browser extension, a standalone app, or directly in applications like Microsoft Word or Gmail. Grammarly also works on mobile, allowing you to edit on the go. For professionals, the premium version offers advanced tools like clarity rewrites, vocabulary enhancements, and even plagiarism detection, essential for students and content creators. Team subscriptions include a business version, which focuses on brand tone consistency and shared writing style guides. In my experience, Grammarly excels in its ease of use and accuracy. Whether drafting emails, reports, or social media posts, the suggestions are often spot on, and the corrections are fast. The premium tier is particularly helpful for longer documents or formal writing, providing structured advice for improving readability. However, the free version is robust enough for basic grammar and spelling needs. Grammarly is a tool for everyone who values strong communication. It's not a substitute for creative writing, but it's a game changer for efficiency and quality in everyday and professional writing. Try it out with the links below, and let us know your thoughts in the comments. That's our review of Grammarly, your AI partner for better writing.